If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, baked a cake, baked a cake. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake. How'd you do, how'd you do, how'd you do? Had you dropped me a letter, I'd have hired a band, grand band in the land. Had you dropped me a letter, I'd have hired a band and spread the welcome mat for you. Oh, I don't know where you came from, 'cause I don't know where you've been. But it really doesn't matter, grab a chair and fill your platter and dig, dig, dig right in. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, hired a band. Goodness sake, if I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake. How'd you do, how'd you do, how'd you do?
Well, hi there. Welcome to Homemade. I'm your host, Courtney Hill, author of Homemade, the American Family Cookbook. I'm a wife, a mother, and a city girl turned homesteader, and I'm excited to share the day with you. In today's show, I'm going to teach you how to bake the perfect cherry pie, how to sew a sawtooth star quilt block, how to get your garden ready for spring and transplant some seedlings, and how to cook a complete homemade fried chicken dinner. Pro tip, use the rolling pin to transfer your crust. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, and listen to that. Perfect. Now we let it cool. Good morning. Come on. Let's try it. So good. Tastes like memories. Let's do a sewing project. All right, now if we did it correctly, the star points should line up perfectly. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, now that we have these nice and pressed, we're gonna sew them together like this, and then we'll end up with a nice block. I love having a vegetable garden. It's amazing to grow something yourself, and the taste of homegrown produce is unlike anything you've ever had. And my extra special ingredient that isn't even in the cookbook, smashed up cracker crumbs. It adds a really nice flavor and just an extra crunch. Oh, those are looking really nice, golden brown. Dinner's ready. Don't forget dessert. Look at that. Delicious.